Welcome to our factory. This is a factory test of our OTR tire bead wire separator before painting and shipment. The machine is processing an OTR tire sidewall with the bead wire still inside. Watch as the hydraulic system separates the steel bead wire from the rubber quickly and cleanly. The recovered steel wire and rubber can both move on to the next recycling process. This separator is designed for large OTR tires used in mining and heavy-duty applications, providing stable performance and efficient operation. After the factory test, every machine is cleaned, painted, and inspected before delivery. Here is the finished machine, ready for our customer. Thanks for watching.